Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new user account and an administrator account on a Windows 11 computer. First, click on the search icon and type settings, or simply press Windows plus I on your keyboard. On the left pane, click on Accounts. Once the Settings window opens, scroll down and click on Other Users. Here, you'll see the Add Other User option, which allows you to create a local user account. Next, open the Other Users page and click on Add Account. Be patient and wait for the account setup page to load. Windows will now ask for an email address or phone number. Since we want to create the account without using either, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. A new window will appear with several options, including using an email address, phone number, getting a new email address, or adding a user without a Microsoft account. Click on Add a User without a Microsoft account. Next, you'll see a section asking who is going to use this PC. Enter a username, for example, Shannon. You can also create a password and set up security questions in case you forget your password later. If you don't want to use an email address, you can create the account without one. After filling in the required information, click Next, and the new account will be created. Once the account appears in the list, click on it and select Change Account Type. Here, you can choose between a standard user account, which cannot install programs or make major system changes, or an administrator account, which has full administrative privileges. To make the account an administrator account, select Administrator from the drop-down menu and click OK. Now click on the Start button, then quickly click on the Power button and lock the screen. From there, you will be able to see the newly created account. And that's it. Your local account has now been created as an administrator account on your Windows 11 computer. You can also follow the same steps on a Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.